Oh, hello. This small video or short video on configuring bank accounts within ODOO. Suppose our establishment or our company has 6 bank accounts with 3 local banks as follows. We have a Euro account with Samba. We have a US dollar account with NCB, National Commercial Bank. We have a Dirham account with Gulf International Bank in Al Khobar. And we have 3 Saudi Riyal accounts with Samba, another one with NCB, another one is with Saudi Arabian British Bank. So, you as an accountant, how we can configure these accounts within our ODOO database. Please see other videos for internal transfer between them. If we want to transfer some money from the US dollar into Saudi Riyal, from a Saudi Riyal account with bank to another Saudi Riyal with another bank, or from one Saudi Riyal bank account within one bank to another Saudi Riyal or another US dollar, for example, bank within the same bank. Please see other videos. Also, please see other videos on how to deal with the transactions in foreign currencies. Okay, supposedly we sell in euros or we import in euros, and the payment from our clients or our payment to our vendors have to be in euros. Okay, and we're not gonna pay in cash right away. We're not gonna receive cash right away. Okay, we will book an account receivable or an account payable amount, but we will receive the money like 1 month later. So how we can configure and deal with this situation within ODOO. This is the ODOO database. It's a new database. Let's start by getting into the accounting application. If we look into these journals, and specifically to the liquidity journals, we see we only have one bank journal here, okay, and does not specify what bank it is. Is it like our account within SAB or with Samba or NCB? If we go into the chart of account, we see that the chart of account being supplied by ODOO does specify one account for bank, but it does not specify what bank. Basically, ODOO does not know what bank customers deal with. Okay, so they're providing with first account, one account. Okay, so if we go into configuring the bank accounts through the chart of account, it's not the proper mechanism. Let's check it out. Supposedly, I established another account. And I will give it the number 10003. And I will say this is our Saudi Riyal account with Samba. And I save it. So if we look at the chart of account, we have 2 accounts now, 10002 bank that being supplied by ODOO, and the one I just created, 10003, which is Saudi Riyal account with Samba. Let's check the overview. Let's check the liquidity journals. We still have one liquidity journal, which is bank. Okay. Okay, so basically what I have created, okay, that did not come here as another bank. Okay, so the proper way to configure the bank accounts is not through the chart of account. The proper way to do it is through either we add bank from here, or we configure from here, or we follow the following mechanism. We go into configuration, add bank account. Okay, we will see that ODOO is telling us if we would like to search for our bank institution online, automatic. Okay, let's check it out. For example, let's say Saudi Arabian British Bank. Let's search. It does not exist. Let's search for Samba. It does not exist. Let's search for HSBC, Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank and Corporation. Yeah, there are so many HSBC that we can choose based on the country the country we live in. Okay, but in Saudi, this functionality does not work. So we have to create it ourselves. We go into creation. Our bank, our first Saudi Riyal bank, Saudi Riyal account with Samba. Let's create this one. We will insert the account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Samba. Bank, we will choose Samba. Create, we're creating Samba as a bank. It's given us the code number, bank number 1. Okay, the code. If we open up the template for the bank, we can add more information on the bank. We can save. And we can create. Basically, what the system, okay, now is, if we go into like chart of account, we still, okay, we have established, this one we have already established before, so I have to delete. Okay, so we have now one bank, and this is the bank, our first bank, which is like our Saudi Riyal bank account with Samba. Okay, so now we have established one account. And this account, if we go into the overdue, okay, we will see this one, the Saudi Riyal account with Samba. Now we're given it the correct name. Okay, let's configure another account. But before adding a new account, okay, let's go to bank accounts, and we see that we have one. It's open up. We can here make some edit. How? For example, posting. When do I want the posting to be done? Is it at payment validation? So whenever there is a payment, okay, the there will be posting of debit and credit, okay, or at the bank reconciliation. I will choose always payment. For me, I will choose payment validation. Okay, for the bank feed, how we want to get the bank statement into ODOO system. Is it that we're gonna import using CSV files, OFX, CAMT files, or we have a business-to-business connection with the bank? Okay, so we can have our ERB, ODOO ERB connected to the bank ERB, so we can get automatic debits and credits directly from the bank, online, real time. Or still we have not decided. Okay, so either I am gonna choose this one or choose this one. Let's choose this one for the time being. For the payment method types, I will choose manual, and I will choose manual for the outgoing as well. Okay, so now I will save. Basically, I have established one bank, and it is here at the journal. Okay, and within the chart of account, it is here. Okay, let's configure another account. I will go into configuration. I will go into add a bank. Okay, I will create it manual. I will say it is our Saudi Riyal account with NCB. and I will create another bank in CP, and I will add all information to, for this bank, and the system is given me bank number 2 as a code, bank 2. Okay, and I will create. If I go into banks accounts, I see that I have another bank account. If I open up, I can make the proper whatever I need to make here. Okay, and then I will save. If I go into chart of accounts, okay, I see that I have already established a new bank. Automatically, the system has established for me. I did not establish myself. Established another Saudi Riyal account with NCB, and it has given it number 10003. Okay, I will add a third one. I will not waste the time. I will add it myself. Okay, I have created the third one, Saudi Riyal account with SAP. And if we go into the chart of account, we will see that the system has established a new number, 10004. It's Saudi Riyal account with SAP. Okay, now I have established the 3 Saudi Riyal accounts, okay, and we can see it at the overview, the third one as well. This is Saudi Riyal account with SAP, and this is with NCB, and this is with Samba. Now we want to establish a foreign currency account. First step, I have to activate the multi-currency within ODOO. I will go into configuration, settings, and I will search for the multi-currency. This is the multi-currency. I will activate. Okay, I'm not gonna get into what these things make, because there is another video on how to deal with a multi-currency. Okay, so please watch the other video. But for the time being, I will activate the multi-currency and save it. All right, and I will go into bank accounts and create. Okay, so what I need to create is a Euro account with Samba, US dollar with NCB, Dirham with GIB. So I will start with Samba, Euro. So this is our Euro or Euro. Euro account with Samba. Okay, and I'll give it our number there with them. Okay, and I will choose the bank. I have already Samba being identified, and it's giving me the code number bank 4, and I will create. Okay. Here, what I need to do, because it is not a Saudi Riyal, now we have a multi-currency, the system must know that it is another currency than our Saudi Riyal currency. This the functional, what we call in accounting, functional currency. I will come to bank account. Okay, I'll go into this Euro account, and I will edit. Now he's asking me for currency. Before, the system was not asking, because it knows it must be the functional currency, the local currency. Now I have to specify it's Euro. Okay, establishing the currencies, there is another mechanism within the video I have mentioned how we can add currencies into the system, but now we have this Euro being already identified. Okay, and I will save. If I come into configuration, accounts, bank accounts, now we have a fourth one, and if we go into the chart of account, okay, now we have this Euro account with Samba being given the number 10005 by ODOO. Okay, and if we go into the overview, okay, we see that we have now a new account, Euro account with Samba. Okay, And these are our liquidity journals. This is Euro account Samba, and this is Saudi Riyal account with SAP, okay? And this is with NCB, and this is the number one account with Samba, Saudi Riyal. This is the way we can add more accounts, configure more accounts into our database. For example, if we want to do a US dollar, we want to do a dirham with GIB, we will exactly do the same, okay? We have another 2 videos you should watch on how to make internal transfer between accounts, and a second one, which is a longer one, on how to deal with foreign currency exchange gain or loss. Thank you.